Listen guys, we're here again in Atlanta, Georgia. One of our most beautiful property we're about to acquire in XSITE capital. Our Project X, or AKA our 10th deal. These assets, one of the best deals our investors are going to participate in.
Great property. So we're here at Montrose Berkeley Lake. This is a 1988 institutional grade asset in North Gwinnett County, just off I-85. Got the whole team here for due diligence.
I'm really excited about this property. This property is about 492 units. We've been touring this property for the past couple of hours. There's a lot of places that we feel like we could come in and really add a lot of value to this property.
So one of the beautiful things about this property is like the visibility to the road. You can see this is a major road right here. Lots of traffic. You can see a lot of cars walking in, so it makes it more visible.
Being on the property, walking around with our property management team and just seeing the potential, it's even more exciting. You can see a lot of deferred maintenance, which is part of our business plan to just clean it up.
We're really excited about it. I think it's got kind of all the right things wrong with it, but it's clearly been taken care of for the last 40 years and really looks like a B+ property.
So we can come in, clean up the property, take care of those deferred maintenance.
We want to make the community better for the tenants. We want to make this feel like home because this is truly their homes.
It doesn't matter how good of a property you have. If people don't know that it's there, nobody's going to check it out. So we plan to do some more stuff right here just to attract people.
In the last 5 months that we did our last deal, we've been reviewing deals every single day. But when we did the deal, the numbers, you saw that we have an opportunity to come in and improve the community, make it better for the tenants, in turn, make our investors some good returns. It's in a really good location, good schools, mainly deals that have these kind of bones and structure is what we're looking for. Deals that investors can come in, invest their capital and have an opportunity to not just get cash flow, not just for their money to grow, but for them to provide housing for a lot of families and start reducing the tax burden. So we cannot wait to have you join the property ownership of this asset. It's going to be one of the best XSITE capital I've brought to our investors so far. So we're pretty excited about it. Have great potential, great pool, great amenities. We cannot wait for our investors to actually come see it too. You know, you are an investor, you're going to have a piece of this deal, you're going to own a piece of this deal. If you're available, come take a look at it. So we're pretty excited to be here. Montrose Berkeley, baby, let's go.